Hello and welcome to Jordan Richard's YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to clean my bike. I got caught in a big shower yesterday. It's not too dirty, but I'm going to give it a quick clean. We got all these back end of hurricanes and all down in Cornwall. So I'm in my shed. My dad's got the RF in his shed, but it's nice light in here, so I can near enough walk around the bike. Shed needs a little tidy up, but yes, it's not too bad, but just needs a little clean. I did clean it yesterday, but I thought it was going to be dirtier than this, to be honest. I could have just left it and cleaned it when I took out again, but what's the fun in that? So I'm going to take a bit of boredom away and just start cleaning her. As you can see, it's not too bad. Just a few bits off. I mean, the engine, that stays protected actually. Nice side panels protect the engine, lovely. Yeah, I'm going to crack on. I'll just use normal polish. Just wipe it over. I ain't got any bike polish, so I have to get some really. Just use normal polish at the moment. I will wax it when I get some polish, I suppose. I will get some. I have to go down Halford something to see if there's any down there. Done quite a few miles yesterday, to be honest. I'm on 675 miles. There's 1,000 miles service. Well, 900 mile service. So yeah, I'm gonna start cracking on. I'll put you somewhere. If I can, I've left my tripod in the car, which can't be asked to get, so I'll put you on a bucket or paint pot or something. I don't know if you see me properly. I'll tell you what, I'll put you on the seat. Yeah, you'll be right. Like I say, I'll just give it a quick squirt and then just wipe over really. Quite a nice shed in here, this shed. I bought it last year. Try not to knock the camera over. Oh, straight a little bit. Like I say, I'm not going into big detail when I'm cleaning the bike. I used the nice cloths, but yeah, bike's going brilliant. That did fine in the rain yesterday. It did come down as a whopper yesterday for the rain. It did stop, which was a good thing. But this is twice now it happened. It's the thing this time of the year. You don't know when the rain's actually going to come down. Definitely in Cornwall anyway. Down in Cornwall always rains. Yeah, I'll try to film one. Just give it a little wipe over. Leave this back bit in as bad. Yeah, let's say. Just going to give it a quick wipe over. And then if I missed any, I'll finish it off when I take her out. The worst bit is down on the bottom, on the panels. Get down here. It's quite nice and comfy and warm in this shed actually. Oh, get down here. I think you can see. Yeah, you see a little bit. Like I say, the other shed is huge. Dad's got that. Dad got that this year. Got that put up. Like I say, the RF in there, that is a whopper of a shed. A lot bigger than this shed, but it keeps the bike dry, and that's the main thing. But yeah, just keeps it dry, that's the main thing I suppose. Like I say, my vehicle's always nice and clean when I can when they're not outside. Like the car, I can't help much about that. That's the winter, all these rooms out. I'm going to get it detailed start of summer again. Anyway, I'll keep cleaning it for a minute just to keep the salt off it, to keep it waxed, which I always wax vehicles. I'm going to go online later and buy some bike polish, proper bike polish. Probably get that from Amazon. I need to give this a good wax just to keep all this paint protected. So yeah, I'm going to get a cover for this as well, for the shed, just to keep it nice and dry so it don't get too damp at night. I'm going to keep the rims filthy. I'll have to do that when the bike's out. But actually it's quite money. This feels cramped here. Let's make some more room. Oh, let's see, it needs a good clean out in here. Haven't put anything anywhere lately. Just haven't had time to do anything because I've been working. Now I've got the time off, it's bloody raining. I'm back to work tomorrow. Oh, yeah, it's steady, almost took the camera off then. I'd say if I have a tripod, 10 times easier. Yeah, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Right, getting there with this side now. Just got this little bit to do. I've done. Just get all the dust and crap off. Hopefully I'm doing my test after December. Get the L plates off and all then. Missed a bit up here. Yeah, get all my L plates, get my L plates off, and then I can ride up to 46 brake horsepower. I did speak to him when I done my CVT. So I'll be doing that after December. Right, over the other side, get my polish. Don't know if I'm going to get it to the front or not. Oh, missed the indicator. Oh. Right, basically the same this side. Oh god. Yeah, getting down here is a nightmare. Bit more to the side, got the exhaust, the engine looks right, got my torch in there, have a look. Got a bit of there, can't see any more. I think the engine's right, just getting to that little bit in there. This bit is a bit grooted. Got the front mud guards, the top bit, bottom mirrors, and then the exhaust, and then it should be done. Another 10 minutes. Yeah, so she won't be going out for a day or two now till she clears out. I'm going to clear out after Sunday. Well, start to clear out Sunday, so then she'll be done. Oh. I'm going to crack on with this bit and then I'll get back. You can see the dirt. I'll turn my phone on, you might be. Get out of my phone. I'll turn the camera back on in a minute. Hang on a sec. I'll just put you there. Right. Woo! Yeah. Quite a few wet spots. Got a little bit in the engine. Nothing I can not clean anyway. Yeah, a little bit there, nothing major. Oh, you're just staring at my phone, sorry about that. Yeah. Get it all clean anyway. I'm going to crack on with it and then I'll show you afterwards. Right, I think I've near enough finished cleaning this actually. I've got a bit, just trying to get the dust off. I'll turn my thing off again. This is meant to be a dry bite, but you'll never count on Cornwall weather. You always get caught out eventually. Obviously, a bit too soon. I feel that breeze coming in here now. Getting a bit chilly. Yeah. Thank you for all your comments. I've been reading them. I did reply back to a couple today. One asked about the first service, how much it all cost. I paid £56 for the service for this. It's 300 miles. First service because they only put the cheap oil in, running oil. So then the next one is the 900 mile mark. Yep, I will explain all the services in the next video. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.